Exercise 3.3, question number 9. They have given you two regression lines. 2x is equals to y plus 15. This is x on y. And 4y is equals to 3x plus 25. This is y on x. And you have to find bar x, bar y, byx, bxy and r. तो r चाहिए, byx चाहिए, bxy चाहिए. अभी अगर ये पता है कि this is y, x on y, so I can find out bxy. So it is 2x is equals to y plus 15. X is 1 by 2 y plus 15 by 2. So bxy is 1 by 2. Y on x is 4y is equals to 3x plus 25. So y is 3 by 4x plus 25 by 4. So byx is 3 by 4. So second and third and fourth we have already found. This third, this is fourth. R is under root byx into bxy. So under root 1 by 2 into 3 by 4. That is under root 3 by 8. They have given you a value of 0.375. So 3 divided by 8 करके देखो, वो 0.375 आता है. And this is 0.61 R. Now you only want byx and bxy. You will solve these two equations simultaneously. 2x minus y is equals to 15 and 3x minus 4y is equals to minus 25. I'll multiply this by 4. So it will be 8x minus 4y is equals to 60 and 3x minus 4y is equals to minus 25 minus, this will be 5x is equals to 85. So x is 17. If I put x is equals to 17 in any one of the equation, so 2 into 17 minus y is equals to 15. 34 minus y is equals to 15. Y is equals to 34 minus 15. So y will become 19. So now my question number answers. This is the way I'll present it. Answer for question 1, bar x is 17. Question 2, bar y is 19. Question 3, byx is हम लोगों ने निकाला था 1 by 2 और 0.5. Fourth, bxy is 3 by 4. That is 0.75. And R is 0.61. This is the answer for the sum 9th. ये ऐसे सम बहुत बार आते हैं एग्जाम में. Now question 10 is 5x minus 6y plus 90 is equals to 0 and 15x minus 8y minus 130 is equals to 0. This is your equations. You have to find bar x, bar y. We will solve them simultaneously. We will get bar x is equals to 30 and bar y is equals to 40. Okay, you know how to solve them simultaneously. I'll multiply this by 3. So I'll get 15x, 15x. So it will be 15x minus 18y plus 270 is equals to 0. And this will be 15x minus 8y minus 130 is equals to 0. Or I'll just write down this. minus 270 plus 130. Now I'll subtract it. So ये चला जाएगा minus 18 and plus 8 will become minus 10y, and this will be minus 400. So y will become 40. So y is 40. I'll put y in this one of the equation. 5x minus 6 into 40 plus 90 is equals to 0. It has to be. So 5x minus 240 plus 90 should be 0. 5x minus 150 is equals to 0. 5x is equals to 150. X is equals to 30. Your bar x and bar y is 30 and 40. So it is done. Now I want to find out R, and to find out R, it's very important that we know which equation is y on x, which is x on y. So I will say let us assume that 5x minus 6y plus 90 is equals to 0 is x on y. So 5x is 6y minus 90. X is 6 by 5y minus 90 by 5. I'm not concerned about this. I'm only concerned here. So my bxy is 6 by 5. This is 1 point something. So if this is x on y, then the next equation, that is 15x minus 18y minus 130 is equals to 0. This is y on x. So it will be 18y is equals to 15x minus 130. So y will be 15 upon 18x minus 130 upon 18. So byx comes to be 15 by 18. So 6 by 5 is 1.2. And 15 divided by 18 is 0.833. So bxy is, see, now the condition is both has to be positive, so both are positive. If one is greater than one, other has to be less than one, it is also there. Now only case is about r. So r should be in between plus and minus 1. So bxy into byx. तो ये हो गया 6 by 5 into 15 by 18. तो ये होगा 3. This is 3. This is 1. Oh, it's 8. Sorry. This is 8. It's not 18. That's why I got it wrong. तो ये तो यहाँ तक भी नहीं आएगा. इधर ही ये गलत है. Because 15 by 8 is 1.875. This is minus 8y. So byx comes to be 1.875. This is wrong. Both are greater than 1. So this is not acceptable. You will write down our assumptions are wrong as both byx and bxy are greater than 1. So now we will reverse the assumption. So now we will reverse assumption. So we'll say that this is y on x and this is x on y. So now the reverse assumption will be 5x minus 6y plus 90 is equals to 0 is y on x. And 15x minus 8y minus 130 is equals to 0 is x on y. तो हम लोगों ने जो एज्यूम किया था उसका एग्जैक्टली उल्टा कर देंगे अब हम लोग। तो अगर ये y ऑन x है तो ये 6y 5x प्लस 90, तो ये y हो जाएगा 5/6x प्लस 90, सो by(x) इज 5/6, और ये हो जाएगा 15x इज इक्वल्स टू 8y प्लस 130, so x is 8/15y plus 130/15. So bxy is 8/15. So both are positive and both are less than 1. That is okay. Now we'll find out for r. For r it is byx into bxy. That is 5/6 into 8/15. So this is 4/9, that is 2/3. अब यहाँ पे r हम लोग निकाला ही नहीं है क्योंकि यहाँ पे दोनों ग्रेटर देन 1 है, तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है। यहाँ पे r 2/3, r यहाँ पे दोनों 1 से छोटे हैं, तो r हम लोग निकाल रहे हैं वो 2/3 r है, so यहाँ r is 2/3 and r will have the sign of byx and bxy, so it is plus 2/3.